Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to check battery life in your laptop without any software. We will be using command prompt to check it. If you are a laptop owner and you want to see how is the battery performance, how is the battery health in your laptop, you can check within a minute. So make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the search box and type here CMD. You will see command prompt. Now you have to click on run as administrator and this command prompt will open. Once it is open, now you have to type a command here. You have to type power CFG space hyphen energy. Type like this, power CFG space hyphen energy. Once you have typed, just hit enter and it will enable tracing for 60 seconds and observing system behavior. It will check your laptop battery. Once it is done, now you have to type second command. You have to type power CFG space hyphen battery report. Power CFG space hyphen battery report. Once you have typed, just hit enter and then you will see this message battery life report saved to file path and you will see this location. Battery report is saved to this location: C drive, Windows folder, System 32 folder, and inside System 32 folder you can see your battery report. So let me close this command prompt and open File Explorer. Then I will go to this PC, then C drive, then Windows folder, and then I have to go to System 32 folder. This is System 32 folder. Inside System 32 folder, you can sort by name, and here you have to find battery report file. This is battery report.html. Just double click on it and it will open in browser. And this is your battery report. Here you can see battery name, manufacturer, serial number, design capacity and full capacity. This full capacity should not be lesser than design capacity. But in my case, you can see full charge capacity is almost half to design capacity because my battery condition is not good. My laptop battery is almost 50% gone. If your battery condition is good, this full charge capacity will be nearby design capacity. After using laptop for years and years, this full charge capacity goes down. So in this manner, you can check your laptop battery health, your laptop battery performance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.